Exercise 7D, question number 10. Use the percentage points table to find a value of z such that probability greater than a particular value of z is 0.025. This is the percentage points table and it gives us the probability to the right of any z value. So let us draw the bell curve to represent this information. Probability greater than z, which means to the right side, and it's a very small value, so 0.025 is the probability. Now we need to find the corresponding z value which has a probability of 0.025 to its right. We can refer to the table. We can see that the probability of 0.0250 has a corresponding z value 1.96. So z is equal to 1.96, and that's the answer for question A. Now for the part B, the question says that a pilot training program takes only the top 2.5% of the candidates on a test. Given that the scores can be modeled using a normal distribution with a mean of 80 and standard deviation of 4, so the score can be modeled normally with a mean of 80 and standard deviation of 4. Now let us draw this on the bell curve. Our mean is 80 and only the top 2.5% of the candidates are chosen. So the top 2.5% is again the probability 0.025. Now what do we need to do? Use your answer to part A to find the score necessary to get on the program. We already have the z score in answer to part A. We need to use this z score to find the corresponding real value of A that has the top 2.5% of the candidate. So we know the formula is z value is equal to observed value minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Z value is 1.96. Let us call the observed value as A minus the mean 80 divided by the standard deviation 4. We can use the calculator to calculate A. 1.96 into 4 and plus 80. So the answer is A is equal to 87.84.